Microcotton, crafting comfort since 1932. What does craftsmanship have to do with home linen? At Microcotton, almost everything. There's a reason why we're known as the craftsmen of comfort. We develop a deep understanding of the product and consumer, continuously innovate to break new barriers, and work towards excellence. Our belief is that the product should be an expression of this philosophy. With several pioneering technologies which have now become the standard in the textile industry, Microcotton stands at the forefront of innovation.
Process and technology are the same worldwide. However, innovation is unique and is a game changer for any business. We have pioneered several techniques and formulated distinct processes. We have taken innovation to the grassroots by working with agriculturalists to implement best practices in cotton cultivation.
Born in New York, Microcotton has conquered hearts the world over and now brings its very best to India. Microcotton has an exceptional global presence, with products being sold by top retailers in over 30 countries across 6 continents. Our luxurious range of bed and bath linen is regarded world over for their upscale designs and long-lasting comfort. Our products come with an OCO Tech Standard 100 certification, which is the highest standard for purity of textiles.
Every product that leaves our units is a testament to our legacy. From selection of the finest long staple cotton to crafting our luxury products, the passion and dedication has not wavered. We have perfected the art of transforming cotton into products of unmatched quality. Having been in this business for 3 generations, spanning 8 decades, we understand the cotton like nobody else.
Our master craftsmen select the finest quality cotton, and through innovative processes, they weave brilliance and finesse into the products, making them alluring and elegant.
It's a magical experience to see wholesome cotton that is pure and without any stress to be spun into the softest yarns using our proprietary technology. There is a lot of love and care that goes into each process and how it is monitored by our expert craftsmen. Our products are the purest expression of finesse and quality, be it the softest towels or the durable bed linen.
An unwavering discipline towards testing, quality control, and serious commitment to product integrity has helped place Microcotton among the top-rated worldwide. While vertical integration offers us complete control of the manufacturing process, we owe our success to our skilled workforces who are trained in the end-to-end manufacturing process. Our resilient workforce adds value at every stage, and they play a major part in Microcotton's success story. A safe work environment and a good work-life balance keeps them highly motivated. Our safety practices ensure compliance to global safety standards. And that's not all. We weave sustainability into everything we do to reduce our environmental impact, making our side just a bit greener. Microcotton is home to one of the largest rooftop solar installations in India, and over 90% of energy consumed by the unit comes from wind and solar energies. In a conscious effort to reduce and recycle water, the unit established a water treatment plant with a zero liquid discharge system. With all these measures in place, Microcotton has been certified by Ocotex for sustainable textile production and has also received the prestigious Made in Green certification for its products. When you are a craftsman of comfort, making globally renowned linen, you cannot do it without caring for the people who help you create it. Which is why Microcotton serves the community by providing education and healthcare initiatives in its region. Naturally, Microcotton has been consistently honored for excellence in delivery of superior products at various national and international trade forums. Thus, by crafting every little nuance from fiber to fold, Microcotton has truly emerged as a celebrated international brand for premium bed and bath linen. Microcotton, crafting comfort since 1932.